What's up, guys? Today's video is brought to you by Auxito lights. They sent me out some LED bulbs for my 2005 GSXR 1000. Gonna upgrade the low beam light, which is right here. It's a halogen light, and gonna be upgrading into the LED lights they sent me. So we're gonna do a little install. Okay, so on the 2005 GSXR 1000, to get access to the low beam light, there's a bolt right down here, an Allen bolt that you have to remove, which is just one. I already removed that with the Allen key. So now all you do is just pull straight out. It's in two rubber grommets. Pull straight out. Just set it aside for right now. And then there is the low beam light. So now we'll take that out. Just turn to the left. Now just got to pull this connector off. Got that off. And should be able to just pull the light out. Okay. As you can see, there's the light. Now we'll put the LED one in there. As you can see, the difference, LED light from Auxito halogen bulb. We'll just install it now. Okay, got that clip back in. All I did was turn right on that to push it back in. Now we'll put the cluster gauge back in. Okay, as easy as that. Yeah, they're super bright. It's supposed to be 500% brighter. But guys, check out the description. Check out Auxito for LED bulbs and their products. Use my code BLUESTI to get 15% off. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.